That was close, guys. It was very risky, you know. Hey guys, it's Leah here. How about making a top manager salary in a single day? Sounds cool, right? And it's not just talk, it's real. And I'll show you exactly how in this video. So buckle up, we're diving into the world of real money making, and that's trading. Before we jump in, don't forget to check out my Telegram channel. It's packed with top-notch materials, tips on successful trades from my own experience, market analysis and tips for beginners, all completely free. Get the link in the description and let's get learning! Getting ready for the trading session, I'm setting the expiration time at 60 seconds and investing 2000 per trade. Let's add currency pairs. I'll add just one indicator, the RSI, using its default settings. Okay, let's search. Nothing interesting. Let's change currency pairs. Nothing interesting. Oh, so I'm going long on this option. Let's see the results. On this pair, we are seeing a sideways trend or consolidation. We broke through the bottom line of the consolidation and then price returned to the range. Yeah, I'm showing you. Price is bouncing between liquidity zones. They cleared the liquidity below but still have an untouched zone above. Come on, go the right way. Don't let me down. It's going up. Stop, please. Yes! How about that? We are in profit, guys. Congratulations. Nothing interesting still. Going long again. Expecting a bounce. So finally we did it. I see a support zone that matches a strong buying area. Price has bounced here multiple times, showing that buyers are accumulating positions in this area, you see. And I'm sure it's going up, but now it's going down. I'm sure it will change. Okay, let's wait for the result. I get just as nervous every time. Alright, come on. Don't let me down. It's going down. I don't like it. Oh no. Unfortunately, this trade ended in a loss. But that's where risk management kicks in. Let's keep looking for the better option. Sometimes it happens, don't worry. And this time I'm opening 2 long trades for 2000 each to counter that loss and make some gains. Okay, let's change the game. The idea is the same, but we didn't have enough expiration time on the last one. Okay, let's see. Alright, now we wait for price action. Yeah, it's going up. Everything is okay. This is close. No loss. Please, no loss. Please, let's go up. Just go up, please. Yeah, let's continue. We're so close. Yes! That was close, guys. It was very risky, you know. Let's check. Yep. That was really close. 2 trades. So beautiful. Yeah, let's move on. Let's back to the chart and switch to 1 minute and search for another trades. It's a little bit lagging. Okay, just relax. Okay, going long on this pair. I'm expecting another long move from this area. And what are you guys thinking? Here's why. I'm seeing a support zone that price only broke once and it will quickly bounce back up, waiting for a long move. I don't like this price action. Go up. What's going here? No, please. Just go up quickly. Unfortunately, this trade ended in loss. It happens, there is no getting around it. But if you follow me on Telegram, your losses will be much less frequent. Join and trade along with me. Feel free to message me directly if you're interested in learning with me one-on-one. Okay, going long again with a double position. Since I didn't see the expected reaction from this level, I'm still waiting for a long move. Let's see. It's going down. Yeah, I love this movement. Stop. Stop, let's go up. Oh, the stakes are getting higher. I increased my position. I'm turning away, guys. Yes, very beautiful. Just don't stop. Yeah, what a rush. So beautiful. That was so close to a fail, but I was right. Both trades close in nice profit. Yeah, on this pair I'm going long again. Price entered a sideways trend and is accumulating in consolidation area. Price is moving between support and resistance zones. We are catching the price near the bottom, expecting it to bounce back up to the top of the range. Yeah, okay. Also, our indicator is in the oversold zone, signaling an upcoming long move. Okay. Yeah, solid movement. That's what I like to see. Great solid move. Boom! We are in profit! This isn't magic, guys. Just technical analysis, market understanding, and support from indicators. And always remember about management. Not all close in profit, of course, but I covered each loss with a successful trade right after. So that's a real example of how to make a manager's salary in just one day. No unnecessary moves, just smart decisions and the right strategies. Binary options trading isn't about luck, it's about a solid approach and knowing the market. You've seen it with your own eyes. Feeling pumped? Then make sure you join my Telegram channel. I share tips for beginners, market analysis and valuable resources that will help you start without the hustle. It's all free. Jump in! Bye bye!